Welcome to the Cognitive Billionaire Mental Wealth Meditations, the podcasts that take you on a transformative journey to cultivate and expand your mental wealth. I'm your guide, Hedi, and I invite you to go on a quest today to milk the enormous potential of your mind, the mind which is the offspring, the well for all of your success and fulfillment that you deserve. Because thoughts become things. Every thought creates a biochemical reaction in your body and leading to less or more energy depending on the quality of the thought. And the reason why people become so insanely successful and fulfilled is because of the self-mastery of their thoughts. And today we have a very, very special request that we answer. We will dive into the practice of self-love and acceptance. Why? Practicing self-love impacts you on a mental, emotional, and physical level. There are tons of benefits, and here are just 7 of them in terms of self-love and depth. So, first and foremost, it improves your mental health. Why? Because when you practice self-love, it reduces stress and anxiety because you acknowledge yourself, you accept yourself. That reduces stress. It also boosts your self-esteem and confidence by appreciating your strengths and accomplishments. Second, it enhances your emotional resilience, very important in these days, because it promotes better emotional regulation. No matter what is out there, you are centered, you are emotionally stable, you know your strengths. Third, it promotes better, healthier relationships, that you can create better relationships. Because the more you love yourself, the better you can say no to dysfunctional relationships and say yes to healthy relationships that are based on mutual respect. And these relationships give you a ton of energy versus drain you to the core. Number 4, you get increased productivity and focus because it diminishes self-critical thoughts and allows you to then focus on your goals, enhances your motivation and productivity. Number 5, great for physical well-being because it boosts the immune system through stress reduction. It also encourages you to make healthier lifestyle choices, including regular exercise and balanced nutrition, for example. Number 6, more resilience in the face of challenges because it fosters over time a mindset of embracing these challenges as opportunities for growth, not threats. And therefore, this bouncing back from setbacks with a positive outlook will be much easier for you. And number 7, self-care practices get improved. Every energy you put out expands. So what you do here and over time will create the energy that you put out into the world. Where energy goes, energy grows. So from this day onwards, I encourage you to do this meditation at least for 21 days in a row, daily, for optimum results. It promotes your self-care routines that nourishes the body, mind, and spirit. Okay? So let's get started. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, allowing your body to settle in that comfortable posture. Now take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow any tension in your body to melt away with each exhale. Breathe in and out and out. Great. Now bring your attention to this present moment, to your breath, to where you are. If you like, you can close your eyes and just feel the surface beneath you, whether it's a chair or a cushion or just the floor. Really ground yourself into that surface, into that present moment. Try to let go of any thoughts about the past or the future, your to-do lists, but also don't stress about it. When they come up, and you can just help them pass by coming back to your breath instead of focusing on this thought. Breathe in and out. And now, as you continue to breathe deeply, bring your focus to your heart center. Now imagine a warm, loving light dropping in from source or from the sun 50 meters above you into your head and directly moving into your heart, exploding like a sun in your heart. And filling your entire body. With each breath, allow this light to really expand, filling every cell, your entire body with a sense of warmth and love. Feel this energy really flowing through you, nourishing all the organs and fiber of your being. Let it rain through your body. And then send gratitude to your heart, keeping you alive every single day. You can even put your hands on your heart. You don't have to do anything, it's just beating, unconditionally supporting your unique being, your unique life. Send love into it, appreciation, kindness, and breathe. Now take a moment to reflect on that unique life, on your unique self. What makes you you? What are your unique qualities and strengths? What have you overcome in the past and gotten stronger and stronger because of that? Why do people come to you for advice? Breathe deep and acknowledge the wonderful person that you are. Send gratitude to yourself, to your whole body, to your mind, your heart, your soul. And really recognize the challenges that you've overcome and that helped you grow because you've experienced them. Even allow yourself to feel a sense of pride and appreciation for this journey you've been on and you are on. Grow because of that. Shoulders back. Grow a little bit. When tears come up, let them come up. That means that just old energy wants to be released and washed out. Just let it happen. Breathe deep. And as you indulge in this self-appreciation and feeling, set the intention to really let go of any self-critical thoughts or judgments now and for the rest of the day. Instead, can you embrace yourself with more compassion and more understanding? Remember that you, as anybody else, we're just work in progress. And each step you take is an opportunity for growth and for learning, becoming more resilient, stronger, more you. Take a deep breath and make a conscious choice now to be kinder, more loving, and more understanding with yourself. You see, we're often the biggest critic of ourselves. We would never treat anybody else often the way we treat ourselves. Again, focus on your heart. Now touch your heart with your hands and really commit to loving yourself without conditions. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Focus on your breath, really. Inhale positivity, self-love and acceptance. And exhale any remaining tension, any doubt, any negativity, any judgment right now. Again, inhale positivity, self-love and acceptance. And exhale tension, doubt, judgment, negativity. And once more, inhale, strong inhale, positivity, self-love and acceptance. Very good. And exhale, tension, doubt, judgment, negativity, gone, 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 out, out, out. Feel the rhythm of your breath as a reminder that you are alive, and every breath is an affirmation of your worthiness. Breathe in and out. Now, visualize and imagine that there's a beautiful, serene, peaceful garden within your mind. This garden is your inner sanctuary, a place of self-love. Now picture yourself as though you would walk through a garden, a beautiful, lush garden with your favorite flowers, gentle breeze, maybe some animals, some butterflies flying around. And as you picture this garden, allow this beauty of your thoughts, of your inner sanctuary, to reflect the beauty that is within you. You are creating this garden right here, right now. And as you explore this garden, you notice a mirror placed in a safe, beautiful corner. Walk towards it and look at yourself. See the love and resilience and the strength in your eyes. And with absolute conviction, affirm to yourself, I am worthy of love. I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. One more time. I am worthy of love. I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Breathe in and out. One more time. I am worthy of love. I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. And one last time, take a moment to express gratitude for yourself. Thank yourself for being present in this moment, for all the effort that you put into your personal growth and well-being. And as we now conclude this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few deep breaths, gradually becoming aware of your surroundings, the temperature in the room or wherever you are. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Wonderful. Now carry the warmth and the love that you've really practiced and cultivated within yourself throughout the rest of your day. Know that you can return to this inner sanctuary whenever you need, and at least do this for the next 21 days for optimum results. You are deserving of love and kindness always. If you feel called, check out the description for more information, personal sessions and courses, and see you next time. Follow for more.